If you've been staring at a blurry old screen, 2025 might be the year to level up, because 4K monitors have never looked, or performed, this good. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or just want your MacBook display to look like magic, I've tested some of the best 4K monitors you can buy right now. From professional color accuracy to lightning-fast gaming panels, here are the best 4K monitors of 2025 that truly justify their pixels. Let's dive in. We'll kick things off with one of the most stunning professional displays out there, the BenQ PD3225U 32-inch 4K IPS Black Thunderbolt monitor. Designed with creative professionals in mind, this monitor delivers 98% DCI-P3, 100% sRGB, and REC 709 color accuracy. Factory calibrated with delta E is less than or equal to 2. That means colors are not just vibrant, but true. What you see here is what you'll print or export. It's powered by AQCOLOR technology for superb consistency, and the uniformity feature ensures brightness and color remain even from edge to edge. Connectivity is a highlight. You get Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C, 85-watt power delivery, a daisy chaining support, a USB hub, and even a KVM switch for controlling multiple systems with one keyboard and mouse. For MacBook users, it's basically plug-and-play perfection. The design feels premium, professional, and understated, perfect for studio setups. If you're a video editor, photographer, or designer who cares about color accuracy above all else, the BenQ PD3225U is a no-brainer. Now let's turn the dial up to high frame rates with the Dell G3223Q 32-inch 4K gaming monitor. This one hits the sweet spot between performance and practicality. With a crisp 4K UHD resolution, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and 1 millisecond response time. It's AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, so no matter which GPU you're rocking, you'll get ultra-smooth gameplay without tearing or stuttering. Colors are sharp and rich, thanks to Dell's quality IPS panel, and the ergonomics are on point. Height, tilt, swivel, you name it. It even comes with a 3-year advanced exchange warranty, which says a lot about Dell's confidence in its build. Whether you're playing AAA titles on PC, plugging in your PS5, or just editing video, this monitor handles it all with ease. If you want a reliable do-it-all 4K gaming monitor that won't let you down, the Dell G3223Q should be high on your list. Next up, for creative professionals who live inside Premiere Pro or Photoshop, meet the ASUS ProArt Display PA279CRV. This 27-inch 4K HDR monitor delivers serious accuracy with 99% DCI-P3 and Adobe RGB coverage and a delta E less than 2 color precision rating. It's Kalman verified, meaning each unit is factory tested for professional grade color out of the box. Connectivity is modern and generous. You get USB-C with 96-watt power delivery, DisplayPort, daisy chain support, and a rock-solid ergonomic stand. The ProArt series is known for subtle professional design. No RGBS, no frills, just accuracy and comfort. In real-world use, it feels tailor-made for color grading, photo retouching, and 4K video editing. Sharp, balanced, and fatigue-free even during long sessions. If your workflow depends on accurate color and reliable calibration, the ASUS ProArt PA279CRV is one of the most dependable creator monitors of 2025. Now for something more adrenaline-filled, the LG 32GQ7 50B Ultra Gear 4K gaming monitor. This 32-inch beast combines 4K UHD resolution with a 144 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and AMD FreeSync Premium support, perfect for next-gen console gamers. LG nails that balance between image quality and gaming responsiveness, and with HDR10 support, games like Horizon or Call of Duty really pop with contrast and color depth. Built-in speakers handle casual sound needs, and the tilt-height pivot stand makes setup flexible for any desk. The reader mode is a nice touch too. Reduces blue light and eye strain when you switch from gaming to work. It's bold, vibrant, and ideal for players who want both crisp visuals and fluid gameplay. If you're looking for a monitor that can keep up with your PS5, Xbox Series X, and your workday, the LG Ultra Gear 32GQ7 50B is the ultimate hybrid pick. And finally, the curved monster, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8. This 32-inch 4K UHD 240 Hz gaming monitor is a masterpiece for hardcore gamers. The 1000R curvature wraps around your field of vision, completely immersing you in whatever game you're playing. It's powered by Quantum Mini LED technology with HDR 2000 brightness, meaning highlights absolutely shine. Think explosions, reflections, and lighting that almost feels 3D. The 1 millisecond response time ensures zero ghosting, while AMD FreeSync, Premium Pro, and G-Sync compatibility keep visuals tear-free even in fast shooters. It's got a sleek matte finish that kills glare, and the design screams pro gamer without being flashy. During testing, motion clarity was jaw-dropping. Even 240Hz at 4K didn't hiccup once with a proper GPU. If you want the most immersive, fastest 4K monitor available today, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8 is your endgame display. So, which 4K monitor should you go for? If you're a creator or designer, go with the BenQ PD3225U or ASUS ProArt PA279CRV for pinpoint color accuracy. If you're a gamer, the Dell G3223Q and LG Ultra Gear 32GQ750B offer insane value and smooth performance. And if you want the most immersive, no-compromise setup in existence, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8 simply has no rival. No matter your choice, 2025 is packed with displays that make everything, from spreadsheets to shooters, look incredible. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like, tap subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which one you'd put on your desk.